welcome to Draw with Bee. Today we are drawing a cute star, so get your art supplies. I'm going to do an upside down triangle on the side. He's going to be sort of on an angle looking all cute. The next triangle, join together. Then we're going to do one down the bottom. Do nice short little strokes with your pencil because then you can get the shape right. Then come to this side. Make it nice and curved. I'm going to do nice curved edges for my star today rather than sharp edges. Then bring this line out in line with the other one, curve it and then bring it in. I like to go over it just to make my star look even better than how I first started drawing it because stars are really hard to draw. So keep going around until you're happy with your shape. Then make sure that after you're done, we get ready to do the amazing little smiley face. I think I'm happy with my shape now, so I'm just adding some extra curves into it right now. I'm going to do one little round eye on the left-hand side. Next to it, he's going to be winking. So I'm going to do that, and then I'm going to do a cute little smile in the middle. He looks gorgeous. Some lines here to make it nice and sparkly. I'm going to go over it with marker, colour him in, make him look super cute. So remember to pause the video if you need some more time, and I will see you back soon. Colouring in your special star. I've got glitter pens right here to add some extra magic. I'm going to put some beautiful pink glitter for these gorgeous cheeks. Go over that just like that. Then I'm going to add some black glitter pen, do the outline of this amazing star with the shiny bright lines that are next to it to make him look extra special. I hope you've enjoyed colouring in your star and drawing a special star today. You can use this on Christmas cards. You can use your special star for anything really. It doesn't have to be just at Christmas time. It can be any time of the year. So I'm going to go over the outline here very carefully so I don't ruin what I've done so far. But the beauty of drawing is that you can redraw anything. Practice makes perfect. Now remember, you don't have to make sure that your star looks exactly like mine. It will be a little bit different, and that is okay. That is the main thing about drawing. I'm going to bring this all the way around, keep going over it. Last bit, join it in the middle. Looks amazing. I hope you've had fun today. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you all soon.